Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week's video, we added another feature to our workbench. As many of you know, we have very limited workspace in our garage.
And because of that, we have to make use of the space that we do have as best we can. As you can see behind us, we've got the walls pretty much lined up with the things that we use most frequently, and we added some cabinets on the top for some other storage and other items. The lower shelves in the cabinets are things that we use more frequently than others, and on the top shelves are the things that we get to every once in a while. Whenever we have to do some work with painting or something that we need a drop cloth, we keep the plastic up there, and whenever we have to get to it, we run into situations kind of like this.
So because of this, we added a drop cloth dispenser.
Now before we show you how we did this, remember, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and leave us a comment. It helps us to grow, and if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below as well. Okay, so how is it that we're actually going to produce this? We believe that this is going to be a very quick build, unlike some of the other things that we do. At least we're hoping to. What are we going to use? Well, we're going to use a little steel electric piping, and I went out and bought, it came out really easy before. But this is an 18-inch saw blade that we're going to use as a cutter. Now let's get into the build.
I attached a piece of scrap wood on the back just to prevent tear out. I added a piece of scrap wood just to make the blade a little more rigid, in order to cut the plastic better. I mistakenly bought a drop cloth that was much thicker than what we normally use, and obviously it's too thick for this blade. But once we run out of this, we'll get the lighter one that should work well.
So this was actually a short video compared to what we normally do, but it was something that was actually essential for us, and it has already come in quite useful for us.
So until we meet again, bye-bye.
So because of this, we added a drop cloth, blah, blah, blah.
We'll just go from here. Cut. Good job, Mommy! All right. Oh my goodness. Did we do all those on pretty much one take each?